Today, I'll walk you through how to transfer a notebook to another version of OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to move your OneNote notebook seamlessly so you can continue your work without missing a beat. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. This is where all the magic begins. Think of this as opening the front door to your digital workspace. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, navigate to the File menu and click on Export. This is similar to packing your belongings into a box before moving to a new home. You want to ensure everything is neatly organized before the transfer. Now choose the desired notebook you want to export. Here, you will also select the OneNote package format. This format is essential as it ensures your notebook is compatible with the new version you're transferring to. Once you've made your selections, click Export. After the file is saved, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now, log in with the account you want to transfer the notebook to and click on Share. This step is like handing over the keys to your new home. It allows access to the notebook in its new location. Next, click on OneDrive or wherever your saved notebook is located. This is akin to moving your packed boxes into the new house. You need to find the right spot for everything to fit perfectly. Finally, locate the saved file and open it. This is where you can unpack your notebook and start using it in the new version of OneNote. Just like settling into a new space, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your notebook in its new environment. And there you have it, you've successfully transferred your notebook to another version of OneNote. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.